Hey, Clayton Bates here, and I'm one of the only registered and authenticated Shopify experts on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. Some of the things that I've done on people's websites have helped generate hundreds of millions of dollars online. We've had like 600 clients, and I'm just going to go through what has worked for our clients and what might work for you. I'm going to show you the dashboard from your point of view and your customer's point of view if they want to have it be affiliate for your company, and just this app. I'm going to go through it. This is the main one that we use for most of our clients. So let's get into it. All right, there's a couple of quick little stats that I want to go over before we get into this video, just so you understand how powerful this is. So for example, 81% of brands use affiliate marketing as part of their marketing strategy. 81% of brands. That's absolutely insane number when you think about how many businesses are out in the world. And 16% of all e-commerce orders in the US can attribute affiliate marketing to their sales. I think Forbes was it that did a study about that. 16%. So you think like how much money is generated each year through e-commerce, and 16% of it was from affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, by the way, it's basically like when people promote like Amazon products on YouTube here, they'll have like a little affiliate link. Someone clicks that link and they get commission. They might get 5%, they might get 10%. You can offer whatever you want to your affiliates. So basically, someone goes to your website, they fill out the form and everything, they apply to be affiliate, you approve it, and then basically you can set whatever. So you could give like 10% off to their customers and 10% commission to them. So when they send traffic to your website, basically 20% of that sale is going towards either a discount for their customer or a payment for them. And it can be anything really. So that's really cool that they did that. The other really cool thing is you might have seen like here on YouTube or Instagram or something like that, where someone's like, oh, I got this product and everything like this and I really loved it. Most likely there's probably an affiliate link to a Shopify store or Amazon or something like that. So this is really powerful, and it really helps you actually get content from other people, because imagine your website, right? Let's just say you have skincare, right? And you have this affiliate program and people sign up and they promote your product. They're making videos with your product. Oh, hey, I just bought this face cream and I loved it and it felt nice on my face or whatever, right? Bang, you now have a video that can go on your website. Imagine your product page if it had 5 or 6 video reviews from people. Pretty cool, right? It's really going to help the conversion. So I actually think one layer above like this whole affiliate thing is that you can actually get lots of content for your actual website when you do stuff like that. All right, so now we're just going to quickly talk about this app and the fees and what you see on both sides of things. So basically, the really cool thing about this app is 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 1,877 reviews. That's insane how good that is, right? And you can like check out the reviews and things like that and see what people are saying, like the bad and good things and stuff. But 1,700 5-star reviews is pretty cool. And the really cool thing about this that I love is that they actually have a really good free plan. So even though you might think, oh, $29 USD a month is a lot, they have this really unbelievably cool free plan. So basically on the free plan, unlimited affiliates, unlimited revenue, branding affiliate portal. So the portal that you actually put on your Shopify website is actually branded like for your business, which is really cool. They have like welcome emails, analytics, post checkout pop-ups, and mobile app sort of thing. So that's really cool that they did that. A lot of people that we have installed this app into, they still use the free plan, and they're making like millions of dollars a year, not from just affiliates, but basically they're still making millions of dollars. So a lot of apps will charge per how much you make and things like that. So I think it's really cool that they did that. And then on this plan, let's just say you're making like $50,000, $100,000 a year from affiliates. It sort of makes sense to have these extra little features and stuff. So multi-level marketing, which would be really cool. This is probably the one thing that sort of sucks that's not in the free plan. But I totally get why they did this because, at the end of the day, they've got a company to run. They need to make revenue to make this up. So they're giving like insane free value on the free plan, and then a couple of little really cool things are on the paid plan. So this is a really good one. Affiliate portal on your domain, on your website address, that's really professional as well. At the end of the day, a lot of people aren't going to even notice. So, but I think it's a little cool thing that they do in this plan. You can send bulk emails, advanced analytics. So at a certain point, let's just say you're making 50K a year through affiliates, like you're probably going to need to use this. And then it's got 30 plus other customizations, and they have a 15-day free trial for this, which is really cool. So I'm just going to quickly go into the portal that you actually see when you actually sign up to affiliate. So I'm actually affiliate for this other company. You might have seen Dawn Pro. I did a video about it, and basically they use this app as well, which I thought was really cool. And basically in here, it's like how many people were referred, how many orders, the conversion rate, the sales, the earnings and stuff. So basically, that company sold $286 worth of the theme template that I promoted, and my earnings was $78.85, which was pretty cool. I'm not going to go into everything on this, but basically, here's another thing. It tells you how much commission, so 25% commission, your ranking, and all that sort of stuff. So you can actually see if you're doing really good compared to other people and stuff like that as well. So I really think that was really cool what they did there. All right, so I've downloaded it into this demo store that I have just to show you like in the back end. So you come here, press install, and it's going to install this into the back end of your Shopify. And this is like how to sort of create the pages and stuff like that. All right, so now it's in the back end of my website, and it's sort of similar to what I showed you before. But basically, you have to go into your theme, and it has like a video on how to do this. But if you go online store here, and then you go into the back end of your theme, so you go customize, you go apps embedded. This is like a just example. So see how it says core snippet. If I actually just select that button now, and then press save up here, it's going to install all the app into my theme. Now, it's always a good idea to duplicate your theme just in case when you add apps. So if you click dots, duplicate, make a copy if you ever want to go back or something messes up or something like that. So it's really important that you do that. So if we click apps here and then we go back to the affiliate one, we can also pin it here if we're going to look at it a lot. All right, I just want to quickly show you a couple of the really important things. And the first one is the look and feel of the portal. So basically, if you click look and feel here, you can actually add your logo and your branding and stuff. So see how it's like brand colors. You can click here and add your brand or put the hex in. So for example, you don't want them to go to a page and it's red when your brand's blue sort of thing. And you can choose a file. So see how it says store logo. You can choose a file and add your logo, because if you don't add your logo, it'll just say enter logo here. And it's not really going to look too professional if you do that. So basically you can go through and just check it all here. And you can also change the currency that you want to do it in. So this sort of stuff is really important. And when you change it, you can actually go to landing page, all this different stuff here, and open it up on your website. So when you add the logo, you'll see the logo here. And then the next really important one, I'll leave it up to you for these as well. You can go through all these different things. But the next really important one is commissions. So basically, you can actually come to commissions and change how much commission you give someone. So for example, if we click change here, you can do like flat rate. So let's just say you have like a $1,000 product, you could give them a flat rate of $50. So even if they spend $3,000, they get $50 commission. Or you can do a percentage, 5, 10%, stuff like that. And you can also do the affiliate commission, so like how much they get as well. So these two things are really important that you do that. There's all different stuff here that you can do as well. What I sort of recommend, it really depends on how much money the markup on your product. If your percentage and markup is super low, it's going to be hard to give someone a high commission. But I think if you can at least give their community a 5 or 10% discount and the actual creator a 5% or 10% discount, that really gives the creator incentive to promote your product, and it gives their community an incentive to actually go buy off you. So it's really important. But at the very least, I think the affiliate, give them a commission. They can still just recommend your product without giving their people a discount. But it normally works better if there's discount on both sides, and there's coupons here that you can create and stuff like that as well. So that's really important. And then basically it's automatically made all the portal links here. So see how it's like school merch demo. Oh, by the way, I have a free school community. It's basically got all tutorials and stuff like that. I actually made this test store because of school, and they have a merch website, so I thought it was cool to make it. So basically you have all the links here. So if you click the link here, it actually shows you like, hey, this is a portal, and you can change your logo on here, like I said in a little bit ago. But basically, this is what people are going to see. They can press join and stuff. I recommend, like, if you ever do anything like this, actually make a fake account and just see the whole process and stuff like that, and then see how like people can log in here. And then this link is sign up page to create an account. So basically, see how I just have all these three links here. So this is about joining it, this is about logging in, and this is about creating an account. Now what we can actually do here is link this all in our navigation. So I've made a video which I'll leave the link above about navigation and stuff, but this is sort of a little bit different. So if you go online store and then navigation, we actually have to drop the link for the navigation. So let's just say we're going to make a new navigation. Let's just say affiliate. Affiliate is our navigation, right? Now we're going to go add menu. So we have to actually drop the link. So this is create account. So we have to go back here where the link is. We paste the link in here and then select the link. So basically this is going to open up the link. What we want to call it is create account, like that. And then the next one is log in. So we're going to get this link as well. So we're going to copy the URL. We're going to paste it here. And we're going to call it login, like that. And then the next one is just affiliate, about the affiliate sort of thing. So maybe we'll call it join, like this. And you can click and hold these dots and put them wherever you want as well. So you could do that. See how it's like, and then bang, and then save. So now we have a menu for the footer that we can actually add to the footer. So if we go online store, and then we go customizer, most websites are going to work like this. And you can put it in your main menu too as well, like under about or whatever sort of thing, right? But down here in the footer, we normally have menus. So if we actually go down and then click footer, this one says men, but what we're going to do is we're going to select the menu, affiliate, and then we're going to call it affiliate, like that. And then now see how we have a menu, affiliate, and then it's like create account, join, login, and then press save. And now if we open up this website and we go to the bottom, we click these links and see how now it opens up create account, and it'll do all the others and stuff like that. And you can log in here and things like that. So basically we've set up the, where are we here? Let's go back here, this one. All right, so basically I sort of went over some of the little pros and cons to have affiliate. This app, I highly recommend this app. We basically use it for every client that wants to use affiliate marketing. Highly recommend. Never ever had an issue sort of thing. So if you're thinking about doing affiliate marketing with your Shopify website, I highly recommend it. Even if you have no one asking you about the affiliate program, have a link in your footer for the affiliate. This app is free. So basically what a lot of people do is they actually go to websites where they like the products, and then they just go to the footer and check if there's an affiliate program. So there might be like 100 people that go to your website that want to do affiliate. They don't see anything about the affiliate and they don't message you about it. So I think it's really cool, especially if you have some good margins on your product. Let me know below what you think about doing affiliates and if you've done it before, or even some apps you've used. Hey, Clayton here again. If you like this video, I have some really cool offer for you where basically if you click one of the videos or link below, I'll send you a free video review of your website going over tips and suggestions on how to improve your conversions and stuff like that. And if you want to go one more step, I have a free school community where you can get tips, suggestions, jump into the community. There'll be some more training videos. So if you like this style, I'll just go through and walk you through different things in my community. So there'll be a link below. And until the next video.